So I think I close my Gmail. So I can view my mails. I can read my mails. I can reply to my mails. I can compose the mails, right? I can send the mails to the web browser, right? So that is a one client application. Another client application is my Outlook. This with the help of this Outlook, I can view the mails. I can read the mails. I can compose the new mails. I can compose new mails. I can compose a new mail. Okay. And I can send mails, receive mails using Outlook also. Okay. So what is the difference? So we'll see that point. What is Outlook? Outlook is a mail client application. What is an Outlook? Outlook is a mail client application. Client application. It means you can send a mail, receive a mail like that. Okay. You can access the mail, you can compose the mail using Outlook application. Outlook belongs to Microsoft. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Whether you are using a Office 365 or regular Office 2019 or 2021 edition, whatever it is, Office suite part. Like along with your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you will get an Outlook. Okay. So what is the Outlook differences? I said no, so that's the question is there. Outlook actually downloads the mails into your local PC. In this laptop, what are the mails I received to this Outlook? What are the mails I received to this Outlook? It will be downloaded into my laptop only. It will be downloaded into my laptop. So where is my mails? In my laptop. So now in case internet is gone, I have to check one of my mail already which is downloaded. I can directly access it without internet. Already received or downloaded mails can be accessed anytime with or without internet. I want to add a point here because that gives a better understanding. What is that point is Outlook downloads mails into local system, local computer, anything you can use. Okay, computer. Okay, people are confusing system, computer, PC, laptop. Okay, all are same meaning is computer only. Okay, some people say desktop means desktop, laptop means laptop. Okay, desktop means again, this is also a desktop. This is also called as a desktop, right? Again, what is meant by actually desktop means that system we use beside one cabinet, one monitor, one keyboard like that. That is also desktop. Okay. And this is a laptop. This is not a desktop, but this is also we are saying it is a desktop, laptop, computer. So all are same only, guys. In my words, it is the same. So what is Outlook? Downloads mails into local system or a computer. You received or downloaded mails can be accessed anytime with or without internet. With or without internet. So that is fine. But you want to send or receive any new mails. I want to send a mail. I compose a mail. Now I want to send a mail. For that one, I need internet. Okay. There is a new mail. Someone sending a mail to me. So I have to receive a new mail, right? To get a new mail, I need an internet. Okay. To send or receive any new mails, guys, you need an internet. but already received mail is there, already downloaded mail is there. With or without internet, you can able to access them because it is in your local system. And Outlook also providing few more things. Calendars. See this calendar. The calendar will indicates. So like when is my meeting, work status. So for example, this is August 1st, we have a meeting. Okay. Or today at particular time, I have a meeting, or maybe I have to do some task. Okay. So like that, I can schedule it. Calendars, that is calendar. This is contacts. Contacts. We can save contacts in it. Okay. To do. So I can write a to do task. So this task completed today, this task completed. Like I have a 5 works I have to complete today. So I will schedule my task like a to do task. Once it is completed, I mark them as completed. Okay. Next is this. What is this? This is also same thing. To do list and task list. Okay. And this is app list, of course. You can integrate with the other applications. Yes. Okay. So not only Outlook, guys, there is other types of applications also there. I know, I think you know this iPhone. In our iPhones, we have a iPhone mail app is also there. iPhone mail app is also there. And your Android phone having a Gmail app is there. Gmail. What is the purpose of Gmail application? Just you, when you are for on your Android phone for first time, very first time, you have to configure. You configure with your mail account. You configure with your mail account. So what happened? Your Gmail will be also configured there. Right? Gmail account you given. So you can able to receive your mails to your mobile phone. So most of nowadays, people are not going for a laptop to check their mails. No, they will go to mobile, Gmail account, Gmail app. So they can check their Gmail, send and receive mails. They can able to check it. And they can reply from the mobile phone also. Earlier, it is a different POP protocol they use it. Now it's IMAP protocol. So you can, what are the mails you are received? It will be there in your mobile phone only. So it is downloaded into your mobile phone. You can send and receive the mails from your mobile. Okay. So this is about Outlook, guys. Very simple. Outlook is a mail client application. You can send, receive, you can compose mails in the Outlook application. Outlook is a part of Microsoft Office suite. This belongs to Microsoft organization. Outlook downloads the mails into your local system, local PC, local computer. The downloaded mails you can view anytime with or without internet. But to send a mails and receive mails, you need an internet. Okay, and also you can do the calendar, schedules, to do tasks, contact list. Also you can do it. Okay, like understand, guys, what is Outlook? Then what is this? Mail accessing through the web browser. Mails are accessing through the web browser. These mails are we are sending and receiving over HTTP protocol because you can able to view the mails over the web browser. Okay. You can compose the mails, you can send the mails, you can receive the mails, you can read the mails, all these things you can do it. But if internet is disconnected, you cannot access the mails. The already mails, like old mails, like already read mails is there, old mails are there. These are all old mails, not new mails. Old mails itself, you cannot able to read it. So that is what I'm trying to say. Guys, understand what is Outlook?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, guys, you are sending and receiving a mails. It means there is a mail server. There is a mail server. This mail server, how a server become a mail server? By installing or installing and configuring either built-in roles and features or installing some applications or packages inside, right? So here we are installing an application. You can install Exchange application. So this is a Microsoft related. This is a Microsoft Exchange application installed in a server. Then the server become mail server. Install and configure Microsoft Exchange application. Okay, it is a mail server. Or you can use other things. For example, Zimbra. Zimbra application or a package installed in the Linux, it become mail server. SquirrelMail. SquirrelMail. Dovecot. Okay. So many are there. Postfix. Domino. Okay. Domino. These are different applications are there. So which application you want it? You want a open source application? You want to configure it because it's a lower cost and you will secure yourself. Okay, for you. Then you can try that one. Or you want to make it more easier with Microsoft because Microsoft providing support like that. Okay. So it is our mail server. Whatever it is a mail server. Either you use Exchange application or Zimbra application or SquirrelMail application. It is your mail server. What is a mail server? We'll do it. Mail server, two main purposes. Main server, two main purposes. One is mail server maintain mailboxes. For example, I have a Gmail account. In the Gmail, the mail server, so my mailbox is there. All my mails is stored in the mailbox only. All my mails stored in that mailbox only. Okay. So what is the mailbox? We'll do it. Okay. For example, I have a user one. This is user one mailbox. Okay. User two mailbox. User three mailbox. Okay. User four mailbox. Okay. So what is the mailbox contains? User one mailbox contains user one's mails. User two mailbox contains user two's mails. Either send or receive mails. Everything is there. Now we'll see what happened. This is a user one. This is user one. Want to send a mail. Want to send a mail to user two. You want to send mail to user two. So what he done? He composed the mail and to address is user two. To address is user two. Okay. So I said 2 points of mail server, right? One is maintaining of mailboxes. Second one is user access, client access. Another one is client access. What is a client access? The user one want to send a mail to the user two. So what happened? The request go to the mail server. Request go to the mail server. At mail server, there is a service called a MTA, Mail Transfer Agent. What is this mail transfer agent will do? It understand what is the user request. How it will understand? How the server understand user request? Using protocol. Using protocol. User one send SMTP request. User one send SMTP request to the mail server. I want to send mail to user 2. So your mail transfer agent understand what protocol SMTP for sending mail from user 1 to user 2. Okay. So that is the client access. So the mail server understand what is the user request. Then what it will do? It put this mail into the user to mailbox. It put the mail into user to mailbox. Of course, it verifies user one authentication first anyway. And what is the protocol? SMTP protocol, and send the mail. Okay, drop the mail into user to mailbox. Drop the mail into user to mailbox. So I thought I put an extra line, but no. This is okay. First, our request go to mail server. Mail server understand what is the request and it drop the mail to the mail user to mailbox. Now, where is the mail? In a user to mailbox. Where is the mail? Mail is in user to mailbox. Guys, understand this first point?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. User to. Now, thing is, user to want to access his mail. Okay, where is the mails? In the server. Now user to open his web browser or maybe Outlook, whatever it is. It can be web browser or it can be Outlook. But he want to get his mail. Already mails are there. He want to check his mails. So what he will do it is send a request to the mail server. He send a request to the mail server. Okay. For requesting, what is the requesting I am doing? I want to see my mails. I want to download my mails. I want to retrieve my mails. That is a request I want to send. I want my mails. I open my Gmail. So when I open my Gmail, given a username and password, what request will get? What request will send to the mail server? I want to see my mails. So which protocol? Either it is IMAP version 4 or POP3 protocol. Either you can use IMAP version 4 or POP3 protocol, okay, to ask your mail server, I want to retrieve my mails. Then mail server, that MTA mail server, mail transfer agent understand your request, and the mail server, what it will do? It gives the mails. It will send all your mails or new mails or all your mails to your user to screen. Either to your Outlook, you're sending from the Outlook means you're getting into the Outlook. You're sending from web browser means it will display on your web browser. Okay. You're sending from Outlook means the mails will be downloaded into your local PC and you can view from the Outlook application. You are sending requests from your web browser, so then it will display on your web browser. Okay. So this is, you want to send a mail as SMTP. You want to retrieve or you want to view your mails or you want to receive your mails or you want to download your mails, use POP3 or IMAP protocol. Okay. This is how the mail communication is happens. Understand, guys? Second point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I've written separately what it is about a Domino mail server. Domino mail server actually belongs to IBM earlier, and the client application is Lotus Note. Client application is Lotus Note. Then this Domino mail server and Lotus Note purchased are taken by HCL. So HCL is using Domino mail server for mail as a mail server, and the client is HCL Notes. Okay. Yeah. In this one, we use three protocols, right? We use three protocols. One is SMTP, and the arrow mark is client to server. And POP3 and IMAP. Arrow mark is again client to server. Both are requests from the client to server, but different purposes. The first SMTP to send a mail. And what is POP3 and IMAP? For receiving a mail. Okay. So SMTP protocol, simple mail transfer protocol. So port number is by default, regular port number is 25, used for sending mail. In Outlook configuration, outgoing mail server means SMTP server address. Outgoing mail server. If you are configuring Outlook, then you have to give two things. One is your outgoing mail server address, incoming mail server address. Outgoing mail server address is SMTP mail server address. Incoming mail server address means either POP3 or IMAP, depends upon organization and user configuration. Okay. So which one we have to use, POP3 or IMAP, I will explain, and that is also mainly depends upon the organization only. But scenario I will tell you, when organization choose POP3, when organization choose IMAP. What is the advantages and disadvantages also. Okay. Yeah. SMTP for sending mail. But beside there is a big numbers also written, that is 465, 587. Guys, by default this 25 port number, that is SMTP, normal communication, no security, no encryption. So for example, you are using HTTP protocol. Data is a web related communication, website you are accessing. I showed voice ticket, that is HTTP access, because my voice ticket application and server is in my local system only. So I don't require security for that. I'm not giving access to any others. Just internally I'm using. Okay. In case I am putting that server in the public or multiple users are accessing, I don't trust the users. I don't trust the people who are in my network, or I don't trust the people who are in the internet also. Then what happened? I need to secure my site. So I don't want to people to see what is the server to client, client to server is data is transferring. So what I have to secure. Then what to use? HTTPS. See what is HTTPS? HTTP is no encryption. HTTP is encrypted using SSL or TLS. Okay. HTTPS. S means secure or HTTP over SSL. What is HTTPS? HTTP or SSL. HTTP, no security, no encryption. HTTPS or SSL it is. So then it is encrypted. Data is encrypted. While you are transferring data and receiving data, if anybody try to steal your data from your network transactions through network, they try to attack your network and try to steal your data or modify your data, they cannot do it because its data is encrypted. Banking websites, mail accounts, most of the website nowadays are HTTPS only. So for data whatever you are transmitting, that cannot be altered. The same way, mails are also very important, mainly in the organizational level. So that is mails are communication is mail data is also very important. So you have to secure using or SSL or TLS. That's it is. The port numbers are changed from HTTP 80 to HTTPS 443. Why? Because of encryption or SSL and DSL. Same way, or SSL and DSL, POP3 and IMAP, so 995 and 993. But SMTP has 465, 487. Depends upon SSL we are using, TLS are using, the port number is different. Okay. What is POP3 and IMAP? It's for retrieving mails or receiving mails, incoming mail servers. Port number of POP3 is 110 or SSL, then it is 995. IMAP or 143 or TLS, it's a 993. Okay. So what is the difference between POP3 and IMAP? So we understand SMTP for sending mails. Then for receiving, we have two protocols. Which one I have to use it? Which one I have to use it? This is, for example, this is a user 2. No. I will take two separate examples. This is a user 3. Okay. User 3 send a request. So this time I said IMAP. IMAP. Okay. Generally we use IMAP version 4. Generally we are using IMAP version 4, not POP3. Why not? So then we'll discuss. So where we use POP3, IMAP. This time IMAP usage. Okay, you send a request from user 3 to your server. Then server send finally a request. You send a request to access your mailbox, and finally you receive mails to this one. Same information, so same thing. No difference between here and here. Thing is, it's IMAP. What happened IMAP is like a copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste means it copy the mails from here and paste here. For example, this is Outlook client, Outlook application. Outlook means mail client application, right? So I'm accessing with Outlook. So what happened? Mails are available in the server and mails are downloaded into local PC. It's a copy paste. For example, you got some work, you went outside, you remember the web access that you didn't bring your laptop for Outlook purpose. You leave out your laptop in your home, you went outside. Okay. So then you remember the username and password and you try to access with a web browser. Okay. This is web browser. You can access from here also because the mails are available in the server. You can access the mails from Outlook and download the mails into your local PC. And you can access the mails from web browser in case you want to access from the web browser. And our other example, I will give one more that is called a mobile applications. Nowadays, you have a mobile application also there, right? Gmail apps like that one, you have a mobile application also there. You can access the same mails from mail server to your mobile application also. It means you can access using Outlook, you can access using web browser, you can access using mobile applications also. Okay, because mails are in the mail server, you can access from any client application. Anywhere, anytime, you can access your mails through internet. Without internet, you can't access new mails in the Outlook. Anyway, we can't access from a browser if you know internet. Mobile phone, if you want mobile applications, Outlook applications, you can access anytime, anywhere, with or without internet, except for new mails. New mails require internet. Web browser compulsory we require internet, then only we can able to access. So that is, it's like a multi-client sub application support. Multi-client support. Multi-client support means multiple clients wise you can access your mails. That is a IMAP. It's a copy paste. Multi-client support. You can access the mails from anywhere, anytime, any device through internet. Of course, without internet, already received mails in the Outlook and mobile applications. Guys, understand IMAP usage?
Yes, sir.
Next is POP3. Why we need a POP3? So where we use this POP3? You send a request. I want to retrieve my mails using POP3. Okay. POP3 request means give me my mails. Of course, server what it will do? It give the mails to the server. Local piece. For example, it is a user 4. Okay. So what happened? The mails in the mailbox will be cut paste. Means the mails once it is downloaded into your local PC. Okay. For example, it is Outlook. Not example, it is Outlook only. Okay. Once it is downloaded into your local PC, it will be removed from the server. Means where is the mails? The new mail is came and put it into the mailbox. When you retrieve the mail will be loaded into your local PC. Once it is loaded, it will be removed from the server. Depends upon the configuration. You can keep it for 1 day extra, 7 days, 10 days like that. It depends upon the configuration. But generally it is POP3 is a cut paste. Cut paste means once it is downloaded into a local PC, once it is downloaded into the client device, once it is downloaded into the client device, the mail will be removed from the mailbox in the server. In the server, the mail will be removed. Simple way say, mail will be removed in the mailbox in the server once it is downloaded into the client PCs. Okay. So there, generally we don't use web browsers. We use generally Outlook or mobile applications. Okay. Now, where is the mails? Mails are in the local PC, not in the server. Okay. In case, yeah, we'll come back to that point. Okay. So not in case. So why we do this? Why can't you put in a both copies like IMAP? Why you are not using both copies, server copy and client copy? In case your client is gone, your hard disk in a client, hard disk is damaged. Okay. Operating system is corrupted or hard disk is gone. Okay. In case of your server, your client system is gone. Hard disk is failed. Operating system is got failed. So you lost your mails. Mails are not in the server. If it is there in the server, next time you can access it from other system. Now mails are in your system only. In case your system is down, system is gone, then what happened? You cannot get your mails. So better take a backup and store into some external devices or a cloud storage is like that. Depends upon your mail service. Okay. Store your backup into separate place. That is important part. But why not that much? Again, I have to take a backup. Understand. One more point is also there. One more point. It's not a multi-client application. It's not supporting multi-client. It's a single client application support. Why it is single client? Because in IMAP, mails are in the server. So you can use any different client application, access the mails from the server. But mails are in the local PC in the POP3. So mails are not in the server. You cannot use any other clients. If you use web browser or a mobile application, you will see only empty mailboxes. Empty mailboxes because mails are in the client PC. Okay. So which case it is useful? Guys, if you check it, Gmail provide 15 GB space. So you can access from anytime, anywhere, because generally we cannot, it's difficult, general usage, 15 GB is more than enough in general usage. You know, in my Outlook, I got this 50 GB. This is 50 GB. I can store up to 50 GB in the server. So it is also more enough space. Okay. But in some organizations, you know, when I worked in another organization before this one, so there I got initially 50 MB only. Okay. My mailbox size is 50 MB. Then my next time I got a 100 MB mailbox also there. Okay. 50 MB, 100 MB, 150 MB, 200 MB mailbox sizes. It will be filled, depends upon your working. So when I got a 50 MB mailbox size, that time not much mail communication. Very important notifications or random notifications are there. Okay. So if it is once mailbox is full, listen carefully. Once mailbox is full, you can't send and receive mails. You can't send a mail, you can't receive a mail if mailbox is full. Okay, mailbox is full, you can't send and receive mails. In case of mailbox is full. But 50 MB is, you know, I maintain 50 MB for 6 months, no problem. But later they change the server settings and all, then it is become 100 MB. Okay, it is become 100 MB. Why can't I go for a 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB like that? Because it's company policies. Company, you don't want to put a more mailbox sizes. Only mail services, not mailbox sizes. So they take very small mailboxes. Because your local system, like a C drive, has more space, 10 GB, 20 GB, 40 GB free space is there. So better to configure inside your local, like using Outlook. That's why Outlook become a more popular got a more popularity in the Outlook configuration, Outlook lessons like that. Why? Because of this POP3 configuration. Once again, this mailbox size is lesser. If I use IMAP with a multi-client, the mailbox, because of my work is more mails I have to send and receive. And mailbox is full. I'm keep sending and receiving a mails. The mails box is full. If it is full, I can't send and receive new mails. If mailbox is full, you can't send and receive a mails. Okay. I can't send and receive any kind of new mails. What I have to do? I have to delete all old mails, not necessary mails. Then only I can able to get a new mails. So instead of doing that one, I configure my mail information in the Outlook with a POP3 protocol. Of course, company itself, they will tell you, organizations, they'll inform the users configured with the POP3 protocol. So they give outgoing mail server, incoming mail server addresses, names, passwords, and how to configure protocols, port numbers, they will give you. Okay, so organization will give to the users. So what is the purpose of POP3? Is a cut paste. The mailbox never store any kind of mails. The new mail is came. A new mail is came to the mailbox, like if someone send a mail to user 4. It came to the mail server, user 4 mailbox. It came to the user 4 mailbox. That's it. Mail is there in the server right now. And I open my Outlook. User 4 open the Outlook and send POP3 request to retrieve the mails. And the mail will be loaded into this Outlook and stored into the user 4 system. Once it is loaded, the mail will be removed from the mailbox. So then it keeps your mailbox is empty always because of you are retrieving every day. You will retrieve every day. You work morning, you came and open the laptop, and what are the new mails in the mailbox? It will load it into your local PC. So this POP3 is a cut paste. Single client. Why single client? The mail server does not contain any mails belongs to you because it is loaded into your local PC. The mails are in your local PC. In case of hard disk failure, operating system failure, the mails will be gone from your PC. So that's why it is better to take a backup and store your mails in some external hard disk or some other drives. So this is POP3. Okay. IMAP is a copy paste. It's a multi-client support. So it keep copying both server and client PCs. POP3. POP3 is a cut paste. Once mail is downloaded into your local PC, the mail will be removed from your server. It's a clean, single client application support. Guys, understand up to here?
Yes, sir.
Well, there's a few more points are there. Okay. As I said, the mails are stored in the Outlook. The mails are stored in the local PC. The mails are stored in the local PC. So your mails are stored in your local PC. It means it will be stored in a file. In a file, right? It should be stored in some database or some file it is stored. The extension of that file can be OST or it can be PST. Okay. What is OST and PST? There are Outlook data files. The Outlook data means the mails, information stored in this .ost or .pst files in the local system. What is .ost? When your file name, your Outlook data file name become .ost. Outlook data file name become .ost. So if you are using Microsoft Exchange as a mail server, okay, or Office 365 Exchange. So anyway, Microsoft Exchange, whether cloud exchange or a normal exchange. Okay, if you are using Microsoft Exchange, the mail storing file is .yst, offline storage table. If you are using other than Microsoft mail servers, other than Microsoft Exchange mail servers, okay, you are using Zimbra, for example, then your Outlook mail, sorry, Outlook mail stored file name is .pst. If it is a other than Microsoft .pst, if it is a Microsoft Exchange, it is .ost. So what is the OST? Guys, your mails I'll show you that one. So go to settings, account settings, data file. So this is the location. This is the file. In this file only, all my mails will be stored in locally. Open the file location. See, this is my file, .yst file. In this file only, all my mails will be stored. See the extension .yst. What is .yst? Offline storage table. In case of your Microsoft, if in case of your mail server is Microsoft Exchange or a Microsoft Office 365 Exchange. Okay. .pst. What is .pst? Personal storage table. Your mail server is other than Microsoft Mail Server application. So then it is .pst. This is the location of your Outlook file. The username has to be changes common. Understand. You guys understand difference between .ost and .pst? Don't
Yes,
worry.
sir.
The topic
Yes,
is
sir.
almost completed. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Also find the difference between 2CC and BCC. We can try like this. What is difference between 2CC and BCC? Okay. So I will tell BCC first. BCC means blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy. What is a blind carbon copy? I want to send a mail. I want to send a mail to 10 members, like a to address. So I have to send one by one to put the mail ID and put the mail information. Send again second user again second. What happened? I want to send users mails individually. They should not know other mail recipients. But I have to do with the two account too. It will take more time. 10 users, 10 times. 100 users, 100 times I have to do mail compose, right? So instead of that one, I put it in BCC. In the BCC, I put all my users like a 20, 30, 40. Okay. I put a mail accounts in BCC. Each user receive the mail, same mail content, but one BCC does not know another BCC candidate. So I send same mail to 20 members. So any one of the user don't know. So anyone don't know, the same mail is sent to the same other person. Until unless there are belongs to same branch, they are exchange informations, except that one. So a user does not know the same mail were sent to other person. So they think they got the mail individually. That is a BCC. BCC field also send copy to the mails to the multiple recipients. However, recipients in the BCC field are unaware of who else received the mail. Who else received the mail. It's useful for safeguarding privacy or when you want to share information without relieving recipient's identity. Without relieving recipient's identity, you can send a mail. Sometimes for a marketing, campaigning. So people, what they will do, they'll add 100 users, 200 users, 500 users in the one single BCC, they send a mail. People does not know who are the people receive same mail. Other recipients, we don't know. CC, carbon copy. The CC field send additional copies of same mail to one or more recipients. People in CC field are not expected to take action or reply to the message. For example, I want to share some information to you regarding some technical work, some work related assignment. Or some tomorrow there is a special session is there. So I send a mail to you because you are the direct information I'm giving to you. But same information also I am informing, just information purpose. Okay. I put a CC to Ravan sir. So what happened? So Ravan sir also knows what information I have sent, to whom I have sent. Ravan sir knows. But he is not a main person. He is not involving in the main communication. Okay. So that is a CC. Two field is meant for primary recipients who are need to take immediate action is responsible to the email, response to the mail, including names of individual you address directly in the mail solution or a member of specific group or a team. No upper limit of number of recipients you include the two field. Okay. So we keep often what we can say often use it to keep others informed or loop. We put that user in a loop while you are communicating to someone. Okay. Tomorrow I required a leave. So I send mail to my reporting manager and CC to some HR or some department head. So what happened? It is look like it's information we are giving, not the direct action. So this is 2CC and D6. Backup and restore. As I said, mails, if you are using Outlook, mails are not be in the mail server. It will be there in the system only. So compulsory take backup. If you lose, you will lose the backup. Go to this file, open and export. Go to import and export. Export to your file. Export to your file. Next. Outlook data file. Next. Okay. Including subfolders. Next. So this is select the location where you want to store Outlook data. Okay. Where you want to store Outlook data. Second, if Outlook data is same already taken last week, then again you are taking in a 2 days for safekeeping. So then you have to store separately and choose any of these options depends upon you created. You can remove old and replace with a new one, or you will want to keep old and new one data side by side, or you can don't allow if already existing, you are not taking it. So that is your import export. I'm not doing it, it will take a little bit time. Next one is mail rules and signatures. Guys, when I compose a new mail, when I composing a new mail, see the signature is came automatically because I attach signature as per my requirement. So attach a signature and give the information. So automatically the signature will be added to my mail. Next one is rules. Okay, what is these rules? Okay, so if you see here, it is in the side. So there is a birthdays, events, external H1B, 70s, I love WATs like this. Okay, so for example, I received a mail, happy birthdays. So what happened if I received something subject that is showing happy birthday? For me, it is not very important. This is a create or manage rule events. So in the subject, if I see uh, happy birthday or a birthday anniversary, then the mail when it is came to my Outlook, it's sent to that folder. So I can avoid not required mails in the main screen. Okay, because Outlook is not my primary object, right? My primary is work. So then I'll keep it, my mails into the happy birthdays. So then I will leisurely view that one. Okay. So like that, we created different things. Okay. Could go to happy birthday. See, birthday, happy birthday, service anniversary. If anything is in the subject, it has to go to the birthday folder. Even I created for H1B, I log charge 70 cents. Okay. What is the mail rules? You can organize your mails into a separate folders. When you receive a new mail, you will get a notification to your mobile or to your laptop. It will give some notification. It is that is you can configure in the mail rules only. You know already calendar, schedule, to do task also. Yeah, one more is there that is called the troubleshooting. And then after that one, what is there? VPN is also there. I'm not giving you break. Okay, just I will explain the troubleshooting, then we can close in one single shot. So take it just a minute, relax. Then we'll go for troubleshooting. Once it is completed, we'll go to the next topic. Just relax 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Yes, so because if I said this is separately, then we'll confuse. We'll forget. Okay. Outlook troubleshooting. So when I'm trying to send a new mail, when I'm sending a new mail, okay, or try to get a new mail, it's not showing. It is, we are not able to send or receive a new mail. So what is the problem? You want to send and receive a mail. What is the required? What is the requirement? To send and receive any new mails, What needed? Need internet. So first of all, you have to check mail. Whether internet is working or not. If it is working, then Outlook related issue. Not working, it means first you have to resolve the internet related issues. Okay. Okay. Internet is not working. First it is internet related issue. So first we have to resolve the internet, then we can try. Okay. If internet is working, so then you have to troubleshoot Outlook related one. Suppose internet is working. So in the mail, there is a lot of configurations. So it is user accounts, their passwords, okay, outgoing mail server, incoming mail server, their settings may be changed either by user in their laptop or maybe in the server they changed. Okay, so mail addresses, IP addresses, protocols, configurations, encryption options may be changed. Okay, so that is why it's not working. So you have to check the configuration. Is the configuration as given? It's the same configuration or not? Is any changes done to the configuration? Any changes done to the configuration? Okay. Any changes? We have made it to the configuration. Check for password exchanges. Maybe user change his password. Maybe some, when he was not in the Outlook, so when he's accessing from web browser, he changed his password. Somewhere he changed his password. Outlook means the mail account password is changed. Either user change the password, forget to update in the Outlook. Forget to update in the Outlook. Or the password is expired. In the domain accounts, by default, 42 days of password is there. Password is by default 42 days live. Means after 42 days, password will be expired. After 42 days, the password will be expired. What to do? After 42 days, the password will be expired. The password is expired. Our password is changed. Our password is locked. So check the passwords. Ask a user, did you change your password? Or is password changed by administrator or password expiry? You have to check it in the both server and ask the user. And try to log into the web browser. Another one is open from the web browser, webmail. Open from a web browser, put username and password. If he able to log in successfully, then you will confirm the password. Is using old password or new password or changed password, password expiries. All these things will be understandable if he can able to log in successfully. Why? Because he has to give username and password, and it is giving the same password as earlier. It means it's not a password related issue. It's not a password related issue. If he is not able to log in with a regular password, it can be a password related issue. Then you have to reset this password and give the new password, ask him to log into webmail and change the password in Outlook. Once it is changed successfully, test he can be able to send and receive mails through the Outlook or not. Okay, that is the point. That's it. Try to log in from the web browser, like a webmail account. Try using username and password. Sometimes webmail account passwords are different. Outlook mail account passwords are different in some organization. There yet is a confusion is there. But here, simple formula, go to web browser and try to log in with the password. To confirm the password is correct. If there is changes, reset the password. Next. Okay. Next. Try to send and receive the mail from your web browser. Try to send and receive mails from your web browser. If you cannot able to send and receive mails from web browser also, means your mailbox is full. For example, I given a 10 GB mailbox. Now the mailbox is full. You got lot of mails. Lot of mails you're sending, receiving, lot of nonsense mails also you're receiving. Okay? So your mailbox is full. Lot of documents, scanned copies, pictures. Okay? Sometimes the recruiters has to send and receive lot of mail stuff through it. So then it is always full. Okay, so mail documents and all. So this is the mail box is always full. So what happened? Your mailbox, check the mailbox. Is it having space or it is full? If it is a full, so try to delete any older mails. Try to delete any older or not important mails, unimportant mails. Try to delete it from your inbox as well as your sent mails, outboxes, drafts. What are the unnecessary things are there? So first delete it. Then try again sending and receiving. Okay. So that is the point. In case from your web browser, you can able to send and receive a mail. From web browser, you can send and receive a mail. So then it's not a password related, it's not a mailbox related. Not about your server also. Okay. What is the problem? Either it is settings of Outlook configuration, outgoing mail server, incoming mail servers, protocols, port numbers, encryption options are changed. Another one is your C drive is full because your mails will be stored. If you are using Outlook mails, your mails will be stored in your local PC. And where it will stores? In the C drive generally. So your C drive is 100% full, red color. So what happened? The mails you are sending and receiving mails cannot be stored because your already mail service, your C is completely full. So you cannot, that's why you cannot able to send. Check the C drive. If it is showing full, remove the data. If it is unnecessary, delete the data. If it is necessary, transfer the data to another drives or external hard disk. Keep free space in the C drive. One more. Okay. See the C drive space. Second, finally, it is not a network, it is not a configuration, it is not a password, it's not a mailbox. Then possibilities, there is a virus effect. From web browser, we can able to send and receive means it's not about mail server, it's not about your username, password, or mailboxes. So it can be there is a virus effect on your Outlook application. So that's why you may not able to send and receive. Try any antivirus, scan your applications, including registries. And one more is there. That is, try log out, log in from the PC. Try log out and log into the PC. So simple, go to the user, try to sign out. Then sign in again. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it is there. Now it is, I'm not getting any issues from few months. So for a few days, like I got this vision. When I open in my Microsoft Teams and Outlook, won't get connected. So what I have to do? Sign out and sign in from the PC. Or restart your PC. Not reset, restart your PC. So in case of any service, background service related issues are there, it will be resolved. Sign out, sign in, or restart the PC. If nothing is working, so then try repair your application. It can be application related issues. Check all the Microsoft Office applications working or not. Okay, if not working, go to the control panel, find out where is the in the programs and features, find out Microsoft Office. Right click, go to change or repair and try to select online repair and click OK. It will try to repair your application, then maybe it will work. Still not working? Uninstall the application, restart your PC and install the application again and configure it as per your requirement. Okay. So compulsory guys, if you uninstall any application and then you want to install the same application again, better to restart your PC. When you restart, the registries information related to the application will be removed successfully. Okay. And also try to do like this. Remove the temporary files by going to temp percentage in run, go to temp percentage or temp and prefetches. So delete those data like a shift delete. It means delete permanently. Or you can do or you can go to the C drive, right click on the C drive. Okay, go to properties, disk cleanup. It will remove all the temporary files, internet prefetched files, earlier some block files will be removed. So this is the troubleshooting of unable to send and receive mails. See it is how many steps. Checking of internet. Not working, so then first solve the internet issues. Internet is working, so it is Outlook related issue. Now directly Outlook related issue. So check the configurations. Outlook outgoing mail server configuration, incoming mail server configurations, protocols, addresses, port numbers, encryption options like SSL and TLS also. And check for password information. Is password is changed, expired, or locked, or changed? Try to log in with the web browser. Try to send and receive a mail. If you are able to log into the web browser, the password is, we can confirm that working password. If it is different from earlier, update the password to the Outlook. Okay. If it is same password, then it is working good. It is not a password. Okay. And try to send and receive emails. If you are able to send and receive emails successfully, so it is an Outlook application issue. If you are unable to send and receive, then it is related to the mailbox related issue. The mailbox is full, so try to empty the unnecessary or old emails, which is not required right now. You can remove those things. Okay. Again, if you are able to send and receive mails, then it is belongs to the Outlook application or a system. So check the C drive is full, then also you are not able to send mails and receive mails in the Outlook. C drive is full. So what to do? So remove the temporary data and also try to clean up. Any data is there in the C drive, try to transfer the data. If not required, delete the data. Okay. And scan applications with antiviruses. Restart. PCs may work. Logout logins may work. Okay, try to repair your application or uninstall the application, restart and reinstall. Remove the temporary things using disk cleanup, percentage temp and prefixes. So this is about your Outlook troubleshooting. Good, understandable, still bigger, but still good. Now you can take the break.